Trouble from far, past soon. Jack I'm talking to people. What far you come from? A long time left on the road now. I don't go to the side of the corner. You know why this is up? I mean it. You know what? I me go on the road, he go on the road. Let them not the street, but tell them let me have the code. He go on the road, he go on the road. Let them not the street, but tell them let me have the code. He go on the road, he go on the road. Let them not the street, but tell them let me have the code. He go on the road, he go on the road. Let them not the street, but tell them let me have the. I want to know because me go extra ordinary. Cause my thing them no ordinary. You see that and the galaxy and the blackberry, me a laptop, heavy territory. When me say, no one me nah ease up. Anybody in the way I get a shoe touch. Cause when me step in the street, me nah smile and laugh. The money in my pocket need a brimstone. We go on the road, we go on the road. What? Next shot, next shot, next shot. I lose the money, I don't have to drink the money. I don't pay money, say money. Big up yourself, bagger. Money man say me do what another. Yeah, you hear me? You can't come on me yourself in the ear. Tell them, rich me want rich like what? Rich me want rich like what? My book fi fat, no that no fi maga. Every day money get tall. What me say, eh? Rich me want rich like what? Rich me want rich like what? My book fi fat, no that no fi maga. Every day money get tall. What I? Me want rich like say me want I full time. No mommy and daddy fi start smile. He don't want for money fi buy the meat kind. More time we can chill out on the beach side. Spanish town, De La Vega. We have a fit out like fly me a weather. The pin of the cheek and me have to make the sugar. Money fi climb like that. Next shot, next shot, next shot. I was a poor life for them, it's a poor life for them. All the time I sleep on floor, money we are free for that year. I ain't fed up. Tired to sleep on floor. Just can't take this no more. Life of the rearrange. Poor life is over. Poor life is over. Money fill up like people in a coaster. Which music coming on road? Poor life is over. Poor life is over. Me what? Money fill up like people in a coaster. Money coming on road. Me have to work hard in a the boiling sun. Full speed and head right to maximum. Give her this food at the table of it on. Work hard for me money and take it by no road. Give me that the street and money a pay. Night and day me no stop for sweat. I me no care a good that cash a good that take. Nah give up because the thing a me see it. Poor life is over.
One time is up the essence of Steve.
Alright, that was the man I-Reef. Do you want to hear a little bit more of I-Reef? Do you want to hear one more? I-Reef, you gotta get him one more. You gotta get him one more before you go.
Next shot, the girl. It's your money. No matter how we're in taxi. Why the big guys never push up poor people? I can't manage your Babylon and stop taking a nice taxi man. And if I'm a private here, I run them and say, work, I come take it off. I don't like going to Jamaica, no. No, what do you want to do in that job? I tell you so. You go to the blue light when you watch it every day and night. They will stop your car, charge it up, so your vehicle not right. Then you go to the blue light when you watch it every day and night. And now you will not be.
One again.
Everyone talk to people. Regret God. Look how long we have gone. The big guy have none at all. No. I just can't take this no more. I don't want to say no poor people life. When you look out to the blue light, when you watch it every day and night. They're not giving no peace, not giving no ease, and turn up in a poor people life. When people get hustle in peace, cause every day in the street and a fearing for police jeep. If poor people know so they go get food to eat. Come a bill and them living a whiskey like them a thief. Them man a run taxi, a bill and don't stop tax me. The private car when me a drive them hijack me. The nigga let them set a bill and they go run me. Everywhere me turn the blue light attack me. The blue light when you love or no.
Go on. Now give it a CD then. Go on.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for I-Reef. He's an upcoming artist. I know you probably heard some of these songs on the radio. I sure did. Alright? Upcoming artists, you need to support the man, I-Reef. Wonderful.
Oh, you mean?
Yeah.